Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. The other day I did a video on this, making a border for like a frame. And then this morning I came up with this one. Pretty cool, pretty unique. I'm going to still play around with it. I think it could look better. But it's not, this video is really not about making a frame. It's about some useful tools. I've got 11 by 14 rectangle. I've got a 2" by 2". If I select both of them and hit TL and put it in the left side of the page, if I control D and make a duplicate and then shift select this one and hit R, it puts it to the other side. If I select both those, control D, shift select the rectangle and hit B for bottom, must not have done it. Control D and make a duplicate, shift select the rectangle and hit B as in boy, it put it to the bottom. Then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I made that shape. We can move that shape out of the way. Now these are 1" or these are 2", so let's use 1" now. We can left click, right click. Let's just take one of these and with the ratio lot, make it 1". And change our nudge factor to 1". We need to kind of make this pattern. So we need to hit the plus key on the keyboard and go left 1 and down 1. Hit the plus key on the keyboard and go down 1. Go back to the original, hit the plus key and go over 1. So now we have this shape. Let's go ahead and group that together, Control G. And now, almost like in the same order that we did the other one, if you will grab the center of those two blocks, it should intersect with the other one. Let's go ahead and zoom in over here. And you can figure this out mathematically, but we don't have to. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to nudge it over a couple inches so we can see it mirror. And then I'm going to grab this corner right here and put it right there. It should nudge to it. Now we can do the same thing as we did earlier. Control D to duplicate them. Let's mirror them this way this time and just nudge them down. And because our thing is 14 inches long, it nudged down perfectly. Now all you have to do, if you were just going to engrave this, just make them all black and go up to your pen tool and make it whatever thickness you want. Pretty cool design. If you were going to do something, you could actually do a little bit more with it. I'm going to play around with borders and maybe make another video later. But it's just a little bit unique. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.